we out to go get? Cubano?
Absolutely. Nice pressed Cuban sandwich sounds good. Reminds me of my days in Florida.
Today's the day off. Let's go party like we're in Florida.
Ya que estaba por oriente, fui a casa de Pedro el Cojo, a la casa de la Lola, y también me asistí con él. Me llevaron con el sobre a ver a la Virgencita, Virgen de la Caridad. Lo que no sabes tú no lo sabe nadie.
Look at that. The roast pork and the ham and the cheese. Beautiful. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful?
Gorgeous, darling, gorgeous. And the Cuban sandwiches were glorious. So it's a very sweet, tangy, crunchy, excellent thing to have for lunch or dinner or just any time. And the fries, they were so crispy. You know how most fries from other places are usually a little bit soggy? These were far from it. And it was very al fresco, so it was very COVID friendly, I guess you could say. There was a breeze. It was a part of Fort Worth in the upper part of the city where they're still remodeling. That's usually where you find the best places. Those little corners and pockets where not everyone is. And then good things can come from it. So if you live in Fort Worth, Lola's, the food truck, is not the only location for Lola's. They have another one off of 5th Street, which is the backside of 7th Street and University, or was it Carroll? It's Carroll and 5th, it's back there. I know they have one more location. I'm assuming that the Lola's at Arlington is also related to the Lola's in Fort Worth. I'm assuming. But yes, eat local, it's wonderful food, and you don't need a proper sit-down restaurant to get some of the best flavors out there. Go find flavors. That's the best you can do. And until next time, eat up.